Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Let us begin with the solution. We shall start with first part of the problem. We shall write down the given data. Given that lengths of the sides of a triangle are 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Now we are supposed to verify whether we can have a triangle with these measurements. Let us check this. Now we suppose that such a triangle is possible with these measurements. To construct a triangle, it is mandatory that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle would be greater than the length of the third side. So let us check this. Is 2 plus 3 greater than 5? No, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Is 3 plus 5 greater than 2? We can say yes, 3 plus 5 is 8, which is greater than 2. Now, is 2 plus 5 greater than 3? We can say yes, 2 plus 5 is 7, which is greater than 3. So, we found that first case did not satisfy the rule. So, I am writing the same here. Since 2 plus 3 is not greater than 5, such a triangle is not possible. Therefore, we can say that it is not possible to have a triangle with sides 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So this is the end of the first part of the solution. Now we shall proceed with the second part of the solution. Here we are given the sides 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 7 centimeters. We suppose that such a triangle is possible with these sides. Then sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle would be greater than the length of the third side. So let us check this. Is 3 plus 6 greater than 7? We can say yes. Since 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 is greater than 7. Is 6 plus 7 greater than 3? We can say yes. 6 plus 7, that is 13, greater than 3. Is 7 plus 3 greater than 6? We can say yes, since 7 plus 3 is 10, which is greater than 6. So, in all the three cases, we found that the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Hence, we can say that it is possible to have a triangle with sides 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 7 centimeters. So this completes the second part of the problem. Now we shall proceed with the next part of the problem. We are given 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters as the lengths of the sides of a triangle. We suppose that such a triangle is possible. Then we know that sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle would be greater than the length of the third side. So let us check this. Is 6 plus 3 greater than 2? We can say yes, since 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 is greater than 2. Is 3 plus 2 greater than 6? We can say no. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 is not greater than 6. Now, is 6 plus 2 greater than 3? We can say yes, because 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 is greater than 3. So, we found that one case is not satisfies the rule. So we shall write the same here. Since 3 plus 2 is not greater than 6, such a triangle is not possible. Hence, it is not possible to have a triangle with the sides 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Thus, we have come to the end of the solution.